Hey guys, good news! I have a fitness app. You get to work out live with me and other amazing trainers every single day. Go on, download Fio on the App Store or go to fiolife.com and start your journey to become. Let's face it, sometimes life as a student can be hectic. And when you're living away from home, you may be restricted to very limited cooking utensils. Hence, you feel like you can't be healthy, although you're trying really hard to. I'm going to show you how, as a student, you can still eat healthy using very basic kitchen utensils and cooking ingredients. Plus, you don't need any cooking skills because trust me, I barely knew anything when I was a student. This meal prep only required 12 ingredients to make breakfast, lunch, and dinner for a total of 3 days. The 12 ingredients are bread, tortilla, soba or rice noodles, tomato paste, black beans, corn, carrots, bell pepper, chicken leg, onions, eggs, and cheese. As students, I know that we always want to have a variety, especially when it comes to our meals. So remember, these ingredients can be easily replaced with something else, as long as you have the basis of the recipes. Right, I'm super excited about breakfast because we're making pizza bread. Yes! I personally used to make this when I was a student, living in a school hostel. It's really simple, plus the idea of having pizza for breakfast is great. Only 4 ingredients: 2 slices of wholemeal bread, 2 hard-boiled eggs, tomato paste, and cheese. Now let's start by prepping the eggs. Boil them until they are hard. Once the eggs are ready, thinly slice using an egg slicer. Then spread about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste evenly over each slice of bread and top it up with the sliced eggs. Finally, sprinkle some cheese on top, just about 1 tablespoon on both. If you have a toaster oven, simply bake for 5 to 7 minutes until the cheese is melted and the bread toasted. If not, you can also place it onto a pan and allow the bread to toast. Then, cover it for a couple of minutes until the cheese melts. Well, if you know that you're always in a morning rush to go for your classes, then boil lots of eggs the day before and store them in the fridge for up to 3 days. All you have to do in the morning is to assemble this dish, which takes less than 10 minutes. Egg is a power food because it is a great source of protein. Just consuming 2 eggs in the morning, you're already getting 12 grams of protein. You want to be having protein in the morning because it helps to keep you full and satisfied. This means no snacking in between. Plus, you get to stay focused throughout your morning classes. It's lunchtime. I'm going to keep it really simple and hear this. You don't even have to cook. You can prep ahead and pack this with you to school. We're making vegan black bean and corn wrap. For this, you'll need tortillas, 1 can of black beans, washed and drained, 1/3 cup of corn, washed and drained, 1 red bell pepper, half an onion, and tomato paste. Start by dicing the onion and bell pepper. Then in a bowl, simply mix all the ingredients together. I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. To assemble, grab 1 tortilla and spread about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste onto it. Then scoop about 1/4 cup of the mixed ingredients and spread it onto one side of the tortilla. Now carefully and gently roll it up and press it down firmly. You can have about 2 tortilla wraps for lunch, and I like to serve mine with more sliced up vegetables on the side. What I like to do is prep the mixed ingredients and store it in the fridge for up to 3 days. And when I want to have it, all I have to do is assemble it into a wrap. That way, I'm always keeping my lunch fresh. And what I like about this recipe is that you can simply change up the ingredients. For instance, use tuna, chickpeas, or even chicken breast. And the same goes to the vegetables. Choose cucumber, cherry tomatoes, olives, or carrots. As for dinner, let's make a hearty bowl of soup noodles. For my version, we're going to add in a lot of protein and also vegetables. And instead of cooking instant noodles, which are mostly deep fried, let's go for much healthier noodles such as soba, rice, or sweet potato noodles. And guess what? These noodles are also gluten-free. For my soup noodles, I'm using 1 whole chicken leg, half a carrot, a quarter of an onion, a quarter of a red bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of corn, 2 ounces of soba noodles, and an egg. Slice up all the vegetables. In a pot, saute the onion with about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil until fragrant and slightly golden brown. Then pour in about 1.5 cups of water and simply add in the ingredients: chicken leg, carrots, and corn. I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Let it simmer until the chicken leg is fully cooked through. Then stir in the soba noodles and bell pepper and allow it to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the noodles are done. Soup noodles always taste so much better with an egg. So I'm going to crack an egg, stir it, and let it cook for another minute. I love an eggy broth. Voila! Dinner is ready. This is a one-pot dish which has protein, carbs, and lots of vegetables. So no fussing about in the kitchen by trying to cook too many different dishes. You can keep changing your protein by using fish, beef, pork, or even beans. Now, if you like a stronger broth taste, you can simply add a little bit of chicken or vegetable stock into your cooking. Listen up, no more excuses for not eating healthy, even if you're living on your own. Try all these recipes and let me know which is your favorite in the comments below. And do check out other really simple and healthy student recipes on my YouTube channel. So, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to hashtag me and tag me in your post. All the best!